Hi, I'm Lawrence.
And I'm Natalie.
And we are the Brazen Brits. And next week, we are swapping our RV for Harleys. So just for the record, John is Mr. Sensible, all right?
You got USB, Bluetooth, navigation, the whole nine.
So it's only temporary. It's only for 3 weeks, but we are going to do 3,600 miles.
But look at this!
You can't do that. And when it was a jail cell, they weren't here. He did confirm that.
Oh, okay.
Natalie's hoping it's going to be half an hour. She's done already. Character in Cars, which was Fillmore, was based on this van.
I'm like talking, he's like, do you know what we should do? I'm like, shut up when I'm filming.
Yeah, that's got to go in the video.
No. We found you, Mark and Trish. There we go. Beautiful. And you know what? This is something that no one really tells you when you're on Route 66, but we rubbed Abraham Lincoln's nose, which is going to give us good luck, and you didn't. Oh. I mean, it's massive. Yeah, so
Better from a distance.
it's better from a distance. It is the world's largest belt buckle. They are literally here to serve and protect Uranus. I absolutely love Uranus.
I thought you might do.
Yeah, I love coming here. I love being in it. Should we do it? Write in the comments whether you think John's going to choose for us to do it. I think I already know.
We are going through 8 states.
Illinois, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and California.
Oh, there goes the emergency alert on my phone.
Got to go. Now. John has brought everything with him. Literally everything you can think of, John has brought with him. We're not even in the hot pot yet, and we are very dehydrated just because we keep forgetting to drink, so don't forget to do that. I'm not going to say. Write something. If someone wants to know, they have to come here.
Okay.
Now, this is the second largest shield on Route 66. Galena. Didn't even expect this. I have not seen this anywhere. Maybe I should have done more research, but this is an absolute ghost town. This is a road, apparently. We're not going through that. So, hello. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and if you could join to become a Braziere, that would be fantastic, because you'll be supporting a couple of tits or 3 tits on this mini-series.
So Lawrence was getting a little bit upset earlier that we weren't possibly going to be able to make it to this blue whale.
But right now I need a beer. I don't know if it's a bike thing or what. We think it's going to take about 8 or 9 hours.
So John and Lawrence thought they were going to die. I thought it was quite nice.
This is a dumb tip, but before we go,
Much needed.
the thing I love about this is, like, the best things we've seen on the road are not the attractions that people stop and see. John even bought a new baseball cap. Sorry, I bought John a baseball cap because apparently it was too far for him to go and get his wallet, so I ended up buying it.
Natalie and Lawrence drank too much last night, so I'm in charge now.
Some of it, even though they say this bit over here is obviously where we're riding, that's what they say is historic Route 66. Well, actually, this is Route 66.
No, I want to go. Oh my God.
We have our sticker on the Texas state line on old historic Route 66.
And up here is our invitation from Pixar to the world premiere of the movie Cars. And the group photos I was showing you were coming long before the movie Cars came out, so Disney Pixar does not get dick shit for that.
So we think it's Texas. No, for that.
You can eat, if a single person can eat a 72-ounce steak with all the sides, you get it for free. Obviously, we couldn't just skip past and not stop here at the Cadillac branch. How you doing, John?
Yeah, right. Nice and warm on the tarmac.
Yeah, just having a little break. Santa Rosa.
This is our 6,000 subscriber.
Take a picture with that. Tag us, hashtag us, Brazen Brits, whatever you want to do.
We're at a car museum.
We're at a car museum. Yeah, we are. We did our work, guys. We did our work. This is where Wild Hogs was filmed. That house behind me here is Walter and Skylar's house in Breaking Bad. Los Pollos Hermanos. Just got hit by another tumbleweed. I'm down! I've been shot! Just do this so he can't see us laughing and then he'll watch it back later. And I didn't. and I'm smarter than them, you could just come here and take it. Did you know that molten rock is called magma? Magma.
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 107 cubic inches. Don't know what that means.
No.
Come back in a minute.
Don't know me.
John got really angry about it. There's so many cars at this time of night. Where are they going? He's such a... He's so...
It's geared up for travellers. Like, they make it a little bit special, I think.
So Natalie, do you want to tell everyone where we are? So Natalie, how are you feeling?
A little disappointed.
I'm going to say petrified.
Oh.
This guy here loves penis. Good for you, buddy. Mr. Happy Face has got a nose. I thought this was 55,000 years ago, so there wasn't dinosaurs around then.
No.
I probably watched some YouTube video that I took for fact.
Yeah.
The cable snapped. They're standing on a corner in Winslow, Arizona. If anyone's here at the Twin Arrows, come find our sticker. It's on the gas pump. Take a photo, tag us, you know the deal. If anyone knows where Pepe is, can you let him know, please? Someone's looking for him.
Hi!
Now they just made some military friends here. Made her day. The Grand Canyon is 500 miles deep.
Thank you. Who is Angel? A barber? There's something about historic something.
His name is Angel, right?
Yep.
They call him the Angel of Route 66, the guardian angel of Route 66.
That's because he says
It's a crazy coincidence.
Yeah.
That's his name, and
Yeah.
he's the guardian angel.
I specifically chose this hotel so that we could get our laundry done.
They also have donkeys, which Natalie's so happy about. Look at that. That is huge. That's for the thumbnail. If you're planning on doing this trip, I would suggest we are just chilling out in the sex swamp.
I just found some more donkeys.
There's no fridges
You've got to go
upstairs.
downstairs
Yeah.
to get your
You
beers
have
out of the
to
fridge.
walk.
I've had it once.
Never had it.
Natalie has never had it. We were going to scare someone. It didn't work. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. We don't really know what's going on.
Is this what Americans do?
We are a bit rough, if you want to know why. We don't remember much of that, but thank you for watching.
There's alien stuff everywhere, and I was like, that's a bit weird. There's so much. It's like 3 million acres or something stupid here, so of course we're not going to do it all.
There's also a house up there that looks like someone's living in it. This is actually BLM land. I don't think you're allowed to camp here.
2 feet off. We rode through one of those.
We did.
And we are, what did you say, Natalie? 284 feet below sea level. So yeah, this is a really good place to get gas and just keep driving.
So in the true Brazen Brits style, we have arrived late to the Calico Ghost Town. But it worked in our favour this time because we got in absolutely free.
Oh my God, how did you do that? Oh, ice cream. Our dog can sit sometimes when we ask him to. I said, that's fine, there's a Dollar Tree right next door. She said, no, there's a 99-cent store across the road. We'll go there. So instead of calling it the dollar store, we call it Poundland. Sometimes, John, I take Natalie to Poundland. So actually in England, when I take Natalie to Poundland, how cool is that? I just assumed he lived out here his whole life and he collected bottles and he, you know, he wanted to recycle, but no.
I think that's a toilet seat.
Ah, yeah, it could be. It seems to be spreading, which is pretty bad. And there's the Golden Arches, the McDonald's signs. They don't even sell McDonald's here.
Nobody can see, but I just lost a stone out of my ring. Now this was a ring that Lawrence gave me for my 16th birthday.
On Baywatch, they found a crocodile that was in one of these. Are we going there? We've been told not to go at night though, haven't we? I'm just going to drag this out as much as I can. Hey, look, here's some planks. Challenge for you is take a picture, 360 picture or a pan of where you're stood, and try not to get any Teslas in the shot. But the interesting thing is this isn't actually the end of the trail. This isn't it. It was actually a few streets down. They just put it here because it's on the pier, so it's bringing all the tourism in.